Chapter 10, Young Offenders in Canada. What is a youth record in Canada? A youth record refers to information created or maintained under the Youth Criminal Justice Act, known as the YCJA. A youth record also refers to information collected during investigating a crime that can be prosecuted under the YCJA. Examples of information that may be recorded in a youth record include name or date of birth, arrest information, charge or sentence, and information from family, neighbors, school authorities, and victims. What law governs young offenders who commit a crime in Canada? The Youth Criminal Justice Act, known as the YCJA, is the federal law in Canada that deals with crimes committed by young people in Canada. How old must you be to be considered a youth offender with a criminal record in Canada? Young people between 12 and 17 years of age are considered a youth under the Youth Criminal Justice Act, called the YCJA. At the age of 18, a person is considered an adult, and the protections given under the YCJA no longer apply. And someone under 12 years old cannot be charged with a crime. Who has access to my youth record in Canada? Your privacy as a young person is one of the biggest differences between the youth justice system and the adult justice system in Canada. The core principle of the Youth Criminal Justice Act, known as the YCJA, is to protect your privacy as a youth. The people who have access to your youth record are covered by the YCJA and include you, your parent or guardian, your lawyer, anyone authorized by the court, the Crown lawyers, judges, the courts, and any review board, police officers involved in your case, directors in the correctional facility where you served your sentence, people involved in your justice conference, the victim, and those who conduct criminal record checks for municipal, provincial, and federal government positions. How long does my youth record stay in the justice system database in Canada? The time that your youth record stays open in the criminal justice system database depends on a few factors. When your youth record is open, that is called the access period. When your access period is over, your youth record is sealed and destroyed. The factors that determine how long your youth record stays open include what offense you committed, what sentence was handed down, and whether you committed another offense while your youth record is still open. What happens to my youth record if I commit a crime as an adult in Canada? It depends on whether your youth record was open when you committed the offense as an adult. Your youth record will stay open or active for a certain period of time as defined in the Youth Criminal Justice Act. When that period ends, your youth record will be sealed or destroyed and have no impact on your adult criminal record. However, if your adult record is still open or active when you committed the offense as an adult, then your youth record will become part of your adult criminal record. Do I need to get a pardon or record suspension if I have a youth record in Canada? No. If you were convicted in a youth court or a youth justice court, you don't need a pardon or record suspension. The time period for which your youth record is open in the criminal justice system is defined in the Youth Criminal Justice Act. Once that applicable time period is over, your youth record will be destroyed or archived. Does my youth record in Canada get sealed or destroyed when I reach 18 years of age? No. Your age has no impact on when your youth record gets sealed or destroyed. The timing of when your youth record gets sealed or destroyed is defined in the Youth Criminal Justice Act. That timing depends on several factors, including what type of offense you committed, your sentence, and if you committed another offense before your youth record is sealed or destroyed.